Welcome back to our channel once again. In this video I'll take you through how you can add your product to the store. So you've registered an account, you've become a vendor, then the next thing is to add your product. So you go to your web browser, whichever web browser you are using, but I'll prefer Chrome. And for phone users, look at where my mouse is pointing, something like this 3 dots on your browser at the top right corner. You see something like that. Go to desktop mode. You see something like desktop mode around here, so click on it so that you have a view like the system. I'm doing this video on a laptop so that you would be able to follow up. So the very first thing you have to do is you go to you log into your account. So I have logged into this account, as you can see, Hello PL Grandeur Store. So you log in. After you have logged in, you click here and go to vendors dashboard. Go to your dashboard. Let's wait for that to load. So after the page has loaded fully, you see this page. This is your dashboard. Then you have all this at the left hand side here where you can see product now. So you can upload your product in, basically I will show you there are 3 ways, but you can use any. So this is, if you click on this product, you will see add new in front of it. So I click on add new. That's the first way. So we'll be adding 3 products this morning so that I show you the 3 ways, and we go very straight. Now this is simple product. You can see add product up here. You see simple product. Leave it at simple product, variable product, whatever. So leave it at simple product. Then the product title. What I want to upload this morning is a bag. So let me just put bag, but make sure you put it in capital letter. You know the kind of bag you want to upload. So I won't be sure, maybe skinny bag, something bag, whatsoever bag you get. So but I'll just put a bag. Then the price here. The price here is the actual price of that product. Assuming I will explain better, let me put 12,000, and at the sales price here, this is the actual price you want to sell it. You understand? I'm sure you will have seen something on maybe e-commerce store whereby you see they put a price and they cancel that price, like a discount for you. Like they might say, I will show you when this is done. So put 12,000, but the actual price you want to sell it, the actual price, let's say I want to sell it 10,000, but this 12,000 that I put, it will be crossed later that okay, it should worth 12,000, but I'm selling it 10,000. You get it like that. So after that, you see this part where you can upload your image. You come to upload. Now look at it. Let me do that once again. I click on this image part. You can see upload here. You come and click on select file. So you go to where the image is on your phone, and you go and select whichever one you want to do. Now let me pick a random picture. Let me just pick this bag. Now assuming I pick this bag, I select it and I open like that. Now if you have more than one bag, assuming you have more than your own might not be bag, like you have more than one product that you want to upload, what you do is just this. You come to this upload. Now the one I uploaded now will be at media library. You can see it here. Now you come to upload file, you select, and if I'm uploading all these things now, I'll just click and select everything, but I don't want to let it be more. Let me just select 2 so that it will not be long for you to upload. So you click on everything, then you open. So you wait for everything to load here. That's the way it will do for all others. You understand? So you have to wait for it to load up. You get it? So let's wait for that. It's loading. So after all the bag are loaded, so you see this is the first one I uploaded, and this other 2 came up. You can see all other bags I have uploaded using this product, using this account. You get it? So you pick, that is how to upload more than one product. So you pick the one you want to upload, whichever one. So you pick it, then you come to this select here, you click on select. So after that, you write a description about. Now let me say this: if you have more than one picture of that product, what you do is this. You can see this place where there's another image file. You click on that again, and you pick the second picture of, this is the one we uploaded, maybe this is the second one, like the same picture, maybe another view of that product. So you click on that, you add to gallery, so it has added another one. If you still have more than one picture, you can click this plus sign, you can see another one has showed up here, and that's how to do that. So if you want to delete this one, you click on this delete, it will prompt up something like this, just click OK and it is gone. So after that, you come to your short description. You can just tell us, okay, what is the bag for, or what does it entails. You can just put female bag, and put the kind of material, leather material. What other thing about, you just get, so tell us something about the product, something short and that you would like to let your customer know. So after that, you come to this category, so you scroll down, look for the category that your product can fit in. You check. Now you can see cloth and apparel, check under it, is there something related? Okay, you can see bag here, so you click on bag. If you still have, you can still check and look for whatever thing that the category falls under, but I think that is cool. So if you check and there is no category here, assuming it is not bag that I uploaded, maybe another thing, and it is not here, you have checked, you can expand all this to check. You understand? You can expand. This is for health and beauty. Now you can check under health and beauty. These are the things that are under health and beauty. But if you have checked everything and you did not see the category which your product falls to, you see this add new category, you click on it. The category name, you can put it there. Assuming the category name I want to put is wears. You see, let me put that in small letter, is wears. Now, so the parent category here, it will ask you what's the parent category. If you check here and you cannot see parent category here, you understand, maybe the parent category is under women, under whatsoever, the wears will come under the women. I mean the wears, it will call under the women. So if I click women for the parent category now, and I add, so let's wait for that to show up. Now if you go and check it, you will look for women, you can see wears up here, it has added to the category. But when next, even if you look for women, you will see it under women too. Under women too, you will see it, because we are making that a parent category. Let's check for it. I'm trying to see that. Okay, let me just skip that for now because I don't want this video to be long. You can see how to add that. Wears are showed up. When next I will be checking this, it will have rearranged itself properly. So you pick it like that. That is how to add your category. So after that, you move on to brand. If your product is having brand, you can see Adidas, Apple, ASOS and the likes. You pick the one. If it is not having, or you are the one that is a new brand whatsoever, you add the name of your brand. And for here, you move on to tags. Tags is something that is related to your product, what people can search for. So for bag, now I will put bag, I will put purse, so that when people search for those things, your product will pop up. I put purse, I put wallet, I put wears. If you want people, once they search for wears, it will come up, you see, like that. So backpack, you understand. So that's the related stuffs. Now under the catalog visibility, put it to this shop and search results, so that when people search on the shop, your product will show. When they search on the search result it will show. If you put it to shop alone, they have to go to the shop before it show when they search. If you put it to result alone, it is only on the search result alone. And if you want to hide your product, I don't think you have to do that. So put it on shop and search, then that is all. You come to this inventory. Inventory is just if you want to name your product, but this one, it doesn't mean, just leave this. Once this one is in stock, you leave it at in stock. Once your product is not in stock again, you come back and come and edit to put it out of stock. But so far it is in stock, you are just adding, you leave it there. The shipping, now if you know the weight of your product, put it. If you know the dimension, the weight, the size, whatever, put it. Then this shipping class is very important. Now our product is between the range of 0 naira to 15,000. You understand? So you pick it. Please look at it very well. This is 15,000 and this one is 150,000. So pick the correct one. You can see price less than or equals to 15,000. So I will pick that. Then you put this to, if your product is as a vendor, if you know that okay, your product is in store and it is ready to ship anytime, you put it to ready to ship in. If it will take you as a vendor to send your product to us, so you calculate the distance, but we tell you as a vendor that at least one day, immediately you get an order, you process the sending of the goods to us. If you are not within our locality, if you are not so close to us, you understand, because we will be the one to deliver your goods. So if you know you are within or close to us, you can say your product is ready to ship in. You understand? But if it take, the processing time will take like 1 day or 1 to 2 days, we say you should do that. But the max is 1 to 3 days. If your product, your processing day is between 3 to 5, we will not approve your product. So at most 1 to 3 days is what you should put there. So I'll put this to ready to ship in. So far I'm having it in store ready, and I'm close to the office of Flash Market Nigeria Limited. So this attribute is, you can pick the color of your product. If your product is a product that have different type of color, like there are phones, one single phone can have the color blue, the color whatsoever, the color this, the color that, you get. So you can put the color here so that when people want to buy, they can pick, okay, this is the color I want the black color, I want the red color, and mind you, if you want to do the color variation of a thing, make sure you add the color to those picture where I show you that you put your picture the other time. Add the different pictures there so that your customer will see. So if you want to pick color, you can select all colors for this color that are here. You can then check black, blue. I will remove this, I will remove this, I will remove this, gray, green, light pink, pink mushroom, I will remove that. So you can just remove and add the ones you want. Then if you want to select none, if you want to delete everything, you delete it like this. And if all the colors that are there are not your own, or what do I say, like you cannot find the one you want there. So assuming I put black, you can see black here, you just pick, that's the way you add. Green, you can see green, you add. But if let's say indigo, now I put indigo, you see indigo is not coming up and it's part of my color. What you do is this, you just come to this add new, you type the name indigo, or let me just put one good, let me put orange, that is available. So orange, so you wait for orange to be added, you add it like that, it will show up. Now you see orange is added. So if you search for orange now, you see orange is part of it. Now you get it. So that is how to do that. If your product please make sure this active button is clicked. You see it has gone like that, so make sure it is active. So if you have different kind of, you pick black, you pick orange, and like that. So for hard drive, if your product is maybe okay, you are selling a system now, hard drive is one of the attributes you must add. So for hard drive now, you must just put there Is it EMCC, is it HDD, is it SSD? You understand? So that is that. For processor model, if your product requires a processor like system, phone, the processing, the RAM, the resolution, the screen size, you get those kind of things. For sound type now, maybe for you sell earpod, music box and all stuffs like that. So if your what's it called, the product you want to upload have something related to wireless, you click it and you put whatever thing that is there. You see wireless, yes or no, you put yes, no. But if there is nothing like wireless, you put no. You understand? For phone now, if a phone does not have wireless, you put wireless, no. You let your customer know that it does not have wireless. You know, if it's have, you put yes, you get it. So you delete that, you deactivate. This is not working for the product we are working on. And if the attribute is not listed here, you can add attributes. So you can just click on add attributes, and as you can see, you type the name of the attribute, whatever thing, and you put the value here, and you add up. You understand? So that is how to do that. So after that, you come to this link, leave it. Product video, leave it. If you want to add product video, you will need to have a YouTube channel whereby you upload your YouTube channel, and you come and put the YouTube link here, the URL link, www.something. But just leave this part if you don't have. If you have the product 360 view, like the view of all the product, like round about, you can just add it here. Then move to this badge. This badge is just click this new product and leave it like that. That is what you need to do there. Then you come to advanced, and this other menu order, leave it. There's this purchase note, you can just put, oh, thank you for your purchase. Thank you for your purchase. We hope to see you again soon. So this is what your customer will see after the purchase. You understand? So after that, you click on submit for review. But let's see now. This is everything. You have to check again. Check, is it balanced? Is it everything? And like that. You have to check everything. Inventory, nothing is in stock. Shipping, are you picking the correct shipping? Now for this shipping, if your price is not falling under any of this, like it is above every of this is equal or above to 251,000. If your product is above 251,000, what you do is that you kick every product. You understand? But sometimes too, your product might fall between this range, and your product is heavy, maybe a chair, a bag of cement, all these heavy product that it will require a big machine to carry, or like is a big offload, like cushion in the house and stuff like that. So maybe a farm product, maybe maize, cassava and stuff like that. So you pick heavy product for those, and that is that. So from there you check every other thing, attributes. Make sure you check all those things, they are correct. Once they are correct, you move on, you click on submit for review. And as you can see here, product successfully submitted for moderation. So after that, it will be submitted for the management to check and approve. As you can see here, pending product. Now this product is pending. After that, you can message the support line on WhatsApp that you have uploaded, or definitely you must have been added to the group, to the vendors group. So just drop message in the vendors group that you have updated some product, that the support line should please approve your product, and they will do that almost immediately. So that is how to add your product. Once your product is being added, you will have your product listed. Now how do you check your product? Let's say you have listed and everything, you just close this and you come back, click on product here. You can click on product. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Now these are the products that has been listed. You can see publish. So all these ones are gone, they are live already. This one is pending presently, this one is pending, you get it, and that is the one we just do right now. So we wait for that to load. You can see this is 19 views already. This is 19 views already for this person, for this particular product. 19 people are seeing it on our website. Okay, so let me show you how you can add product. I promised you to show you 3 ways. So that's the first way. So you click, you will click, actually for phone, if you click you will see add new immediately. You quickly click on add new, or the second way is click on this product itself. Click on that product. Let's wait for that to load. Now this product, now as you can see here, it has been published. This is what we did, it has been published. You see we have 3 people's watch it already as it has been published, as you can see. So that is what I'm telling you now. After clicking on product, you see add new, so you can click on add new and you can see this page load up and you do all those stuffs like that. So the third way to do that is when you come, let me go back. When you come to your vendor's dashboard, it will show this page and you can see this part where you see my mouse moving at the lower part here. You can see add new product. So this one is the fastest. This one, if you click on it, it will open up this page for you, and let me use this one so that you understand. So product name, let me just put bag again. Let me put bag 2. Now bag 2, the price, let me say the price is 15,000 and the amount I want to sell it is 10,000. Please mind you, don't make your price too high, because you know delivery fee will be added to this. So meaning that if the delivery fee for one person is 2,000, so the person will be paying 12,000 in total. So you think about your customer. Will your customer be able to pay 12,000 for your product? So that is what you need to look into before you add your price. You get? So then you click next. This one will just take you to the important thing. So categories, you pick the category, you check. You can type it to suggest. Bag. You can see bag. Click on bag. Brand, if you have a brand, pick it. Tags, you put your tags. Where's bag, purse. Then the catalog visibility is shop and search result. Don't forget. Then you click on next. You add your image. So let me pick another image. Let's wait for that to load up. So let me pick another image. Let me pick this one and I click select. You can see I can add another image here of the same bag, maybe another view of it, of the same bag. Let's say I still pick this one, add to gallery. You see like that. Now you can add more. You click on this, add more. You click on here and you add another image to it, so you can still pick. You get it? So that is how to add more than one. So you click next. After that, short description. Your description, you put your description like that, you get. So you next. After that, this manage stock, leave it. Just put this one as it in stock, just leave it like that and you click next. If you know the weight rather of your product, put it, the dimension, everything. Now the shipping class is important. You see 15,000 naira. Click on that. Ready to ship it. Now you understand this part. If you are close to us in Ogbomoso, if you are in Ogbomoso, just put it ready to ship. We will come to your store, pick it up and go and deliver to the person. But if you are outside Ogbomoso, you will have to send to us. So if you are in Ilorin or your Ibadan, it just take you like 1 day to send to us. Immediately you see the order, you send that same day. It won't take you more than 1 business day. You get it? So you put 1 business day there. So before it gets to us, then we deliver to the person. So if it will take you like 2 days, you put it there. If it take you like 3 days, we put it there. So it is advisable that you don't pick more than 3 days, because if you pick more than 3 days, we will not approve your order. So I'll put it ready to ship, then I click on next. The color and whatsoever, you pick the color that is that you want, black, blue, whichever one you add. If you want to add, then you next. So upsell, cross sell, frequent, whatsoever, leave this one, you move to the next one. Product video, move to the next one. Product picture, move to the next one. Now this new product, click it like this, then you next. After that, put your purchase note, thank you for whatsoever, then you submit for review, and that will be all. So you wait for it to be, you message the group and you wait for it to be activated. Now assuming you have issues with whatever thing you have done before, maybe this bag that we have uploaded and we want to edit something, maybe the price has gone up or it has reduced or whatsoever you want to change, you see this part, you can see edit below it, edit. So you click on edit, it will bring back the profile of that product for you, you see. So and you can edit whatever thing you want to edit here, and you submit back. Now this edit, immediately you submit, you don't need to go and message again that they should help you publish. It will activate immediately on your store, you get it. So that is how to add your product using those 3 methods. The last one, which is the lower part here, is the most fastest, you understand, but these other ones too are good for you to do. Now let me show you another trick for those of you that maybe I want to upload like 10 bags, and those 10 bags are of the same, their description can only change, their price will change, and the name will change. Other things like category, the purchase notes, the some other things will be the same. So what you do, instead of you closing and go and start again, what you do is just you click on duplicate. Let's wait for that to load up. You click on duplicate. It's loading. Let's wait for that to load, so that you won't be adding and pressing everything over and again. So now immediately it loads up, you see copy here. You see leather bag is the name before, and you can see copy. That means you have duplicated it. So you just delete that and you put whatever name of the new product you want to add. Let's say that's the name, you get it. Now the price has changed, you can put the price. If the price has changed, you can, let me change this to 11,000, and the sales price is 10,000. Let me leave it like that. That's the way I want to put it. Now you just click on this image. Now this image won't be useful again, you get it. I can cancel this one here, it has gone. I can cancel this or just click on it if I want to change it. Then you change it to this whatever one you want to pick. So it has changed. Now the description will change. You change the description here. Now the same category, to be the same category, so far it is bag and bag. Your brand will still be the same, your tag will still be the same, this one too will be the same. You get like that. Now in stock will be the same, shipping whatsoever. You will then determine if the price has gone up or whichever one you change. This one ready to ship will be the same, and all other things will be the same. Whatever thing that remains will be the same till the last. So you just click submit for review. So it's faster that way to upload multiple products of the same thing. Let's say bag, you have like 5-10 bags, you understand, so they are related. If you have clothes too are related. So product successfully submitted for moderation. So let's wait for it to load us back to the dashboard, and I will show you that. Let's wait for it, it's loading. Okay, now here we have it, you can see pending. can see pending here. So if you still want to upload another one, just click duplicate this now. After duplicate, you just change those little things again: the price, the image, this description, the shipping class, and that is all. So let's go back to products. Click on products. Okay, so after this page loads up now, you can see pending now. You can see pending. The one we duplicated and we edited, you can see pending here. So that's how it will show. So if you want to edit, you edit it, and if you want to delete it, just click on delete. If you want to delete the product, click delete, and this one is telling you, are you sure you want to delete this? You can't undo this action. You click delete and it is deleted. Now if you want to, assuming this particular bag now is in stock before, you can see in stock here, is in stock before, and you want people have bought it all and you are not having it in your store again, you just go to inventory. You know where the inventory is, where you see in stock, you change it to out of stock and you save, and it will cross it on the store, on the shop. It will cross it like it is out of stock, so that people won't be able to purchase that. So that is how to add your product to your store. So let us now check this and see how it will look. This particular bag, let us go to shop and show you how it will look. Let's check the store and see how it will look. You can see 17 persons has viewed this already. So let's go to shop. Let's go to shop and see how it will show up. Now you can see products. Let's click on next page. Now this is the bag here. You can see Pearl Gandiol store, the name of the bag, the price. This is what I'm telling you the other time. This is the price you set, and you put 13. You see cross this one. So if I click on this bag now, that's how it will show it on the store. And this is the bag. You can see the bag, the name. This is description you put there, and status, it is in stock, and that is how it will show. Now this is the category bag. This is the tag that we have added and everything. Your bag is set and people are seeing it already. Now for the last part, this WhatsApp whatsoever, you can click on it so that you share your status, your WhatsApp status. You see, because this is a system, I would not like to open it. So you just, once you click continue to chat, it will bring you to where you want to send it to. You click on your status and you send it, so your bag will show up for your other customers, so that they can click on that and go and buy your product on our marketplace. With that, you can get your money. No, I want to reduce it, I want to price it, I want to do this, and like that. So that will be all for this session, and see you in the next video.